Good evening, everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Program. So today we are going to see some general properties of groups. Okay. So one of its property is that identity element in a group is unique. Okay. So this is forum. Forum, you can say uniqueness of identity. Uniqueness identity. Okay. Identity element in a group G in a group is unique. Okay. Unique means we have only one identity element. Okay. Let's see its proof. So let G be a group. Okay. And E and E dash are two identity elements in G. Okay. We will show that E is equal to E dash. Okay. We will show that E is equal to E dash. Then it will be unique element. Okay. Unique identity element. Okay. So first, since E is identity element, we have, because E is identity element, so E is identity element, so E dash is element of group. So if you appropriate identity element with any element, you will get that element. Okay. So what we have E dash is equal to E dash. I'm saying this equation number 1. Okay. Again, since E dash is also identity element, we have E, we are taking, because E dash is the identity element, so if I will operate it with E, I will get E. Okay. Okay. We can change the order. No problem. Because E dash is identity. You operate identity element with any element, you will get that element. Okay. So what we have? We will take this much. E dash is equal to E. We are calling it 2. So from 1 and 2, we have, because E dash is from 1, we have E dash, and from equation 2, E dash is equal to E. From 1 and 2, what we have? Both are values of E dash. So E dash is equal to E. So this implies E is equal to E dash. So this implies identity element is unique in a group. Okay. So this is true. Okay. So today's lecture for this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much.